it is all a balance. So it's like coming to that compromise of like, okay, what do I need more now than, I mean, the practice is always going to be there. And you don't have to be focusing on new movements to be integrating old stuff and to be finding new ways of connecting the old stuff that you already know so that you're developing and deepening your style. I feel like poi is an infinite rabbit hole of possibility. Like there's always going to be a new move. So what if the next 6 months was about, oh, well, I'm just going to be with the practice as it is and allow it to unfold as it is, as opposed to trying to push it in a direction and think of it as a practice rather than training. I'm a weirdo. Maybe this is just my view of the world, but I feel like there's training and there's practice. And I feel like training is outcome oriented, where you're focused on, I want to get this thing in this amount of time so I can do this thing. Whereas I think practice is about being with it as it is, allowing it to arise and fill the space as it does. And maybe right now your practice is more about flow and staying in connection, use it or lose it, rather than training, get more moves. And maybe that's okay. Like maybe that could be your version of self-care, so that you can give yourself permission to work these hours, to have the money, so that your foundations feel more solid. And then if you can accept the practice as that gift, you won't feel the pressure of, well, I'm not even getting what I should get done, you know?